Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to start with May. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut out the gray lines. Don't shut your scissors all the way to make it a nice, smooth line. Don't try to go too fast. Don't try to cut the corners, just cut it on off and then start again. Alright. Throw away your trash. And we're beginning with May. Alright. It says, "You really blow me away." Really blow me away. So we're going to draw a kite. A kite is what we're going to draw. So we're going to start our kite. We're going to start it up here at the top, closer to the top. And you're going to draw like a diamond. So you're going to go down, and you're going to go down, and out and down, and out and down again. Just like that. That's going to be our first step. And then you're going to take and draw a line from the top to the middle of that one. And then you're going to draw a line from the point on this side to a point on that side. Alright. Now we're going to put a wavy tail on it. So your wavy tail is going to look wee like this. Okay. After we get our wavy tail, we're going to have the bow. With a bow, you're going to take and draw a triangle on this side of the line and a triangle on this side of the line. You're going to draw a triangle on this side of the line and a triangle on this side of the line. You're going to draw a triangle on this side of the line and a triangle on this side of the line. Now you're going to put another triangle down here and then another triangle on the other side and then one more close to the end. Triangle and then a triangle. After we have all the triangles, we're going to color it. Now, like I said, you can choose what you want to color it. This is a U point here. I'm going to go with blue. I think that's blue. Yeah, that's blue. So I'm going to color mine blue on this side. Remember, you can always pause the video if Miss Agraffe gets far quicker than you. Alright, want to make sure all my whites colored in. I'm going to have blue there, and then I'm going to alternate and have the blue here. Make sure all my white's colored in. Then my other color I'm going to have is yellow. I like my yellows, especially when they're bright yellows. I'm going to color my other side yellows. But you can choose the color that you want to do. Make it nice and pretty. I'm going to have to sharpen this yellow. I see too much white there. I'm going to have to go back over it another way to see if I can get some of that white out. There we go. Okay. I've got that. And now I think I'm going to use red for my bows down through here. Red, red. I'm gonna have to go pretty slow on this because they're tiny. Tiny, tiny. Alright, then I'm gonna use my black to outline it. And then right here, and right here. Then I'm going to do my cross, tracing it, and then I'm going to trace this way. That just looks so much better. Now I'm going to take my black coloring pencil and go very slowly and trace my kite string. Darn it, I got off a little bit, so go back and do that. Now I've got to outline my bows. Remember, they're just triangles on both sides of my line. Okay, so I got that. Now a kite's in the air. Oh, I forgot the face. I've got to draw my eye. In my eye. In my mouth. Yay. Yay. Okay. I don't think I'm going to put the, I don't know what you want to call it, puppy dog eyes on it. I think I'm just going to leave it that way. Now, I think I might use a blue. I might put some blue tint behind it, lightly, just coloring the sky. Ooh, I think I'm gonna leave that like that too, and so I might like leave some white so I can make it look like there's white fluffy clouds in the blue skies there. Ooh, I like that idea. Just to give my kite some more dimension. Having some white puffy clouds. Look, I can even leave that like that's a cloud. See how I left that white behind it? Give them some cumulus clouds. I like that. And might have that cloud there. And if you color really light, then you can do that. Look at that. I like that. Look at that. So it looks like I've got some white clouds up there. And if I want to go darker, I can go some darker spots in it. See that? I can make it some darker where sometimes you can see it peeking through, but it's a cloudy day. Maybe there's a cloud behind part of my kite. There we go. So we're done with May now.